What is up, everybody? How's it going? So we're going to start this off with a little bit of backstory just so you get how impressive this is. Ana Carrasco, I'm going to say Carrasco, I might be butchering it, I'm sorry if I am. Let's just, a little backstory here. At the age of 16, became the first woman to score points in a Moto3 World Championship. That's impressive in itself, considering how many people there are racing in Moto3 and how competitive it is, being that it's the MotoGP starter step. She became the first woman ever to win an FIM World Championship race, and the first to set a fastest lap, and to earn a pole position. She also has the honor to be the first woman to lead a world motorcycling championship, also finally becoming the first woman to ever win a world motorcycling championship. So she led the points and she won the championship in 2018. That's insane. So she was 20 years old now, so she was 18 or something like that when she won her first championship. Mind you, this isn't in a woman's only section or a woman's side of the sport. No, this is her racing, full bore, other factory squads, other guys. She's doing it. That's impressive. I mean, not saying that women are less than men, but, that's impressive in itself, being that, she's racing in, not Moto3 now, but in the World SSP 300, riding a Ninja 400. So think about that. She is the first to pole, fastest lap, win points, win a championship, lead the championship. Like, it's insane. She's going to be in the history books forever. Obviously the fastest lap and the pole and stuff like that can go, or the fastest lap can go. The pole, obviously she's first for it, but it's just impressive. And if you didn't know, in the September of 2020, in 2020, she had a crash where she broke her D4 and D6 vertebrae. I'll have a picture of it here that she posted on her Instagram showing, I think it was 30 staples or something that she has from her, I'm assuming from the surgery on her back, which is incredible in itself. I mean, that's a serious injury, and to have that much work done and to come back. So that's where we're going for this. That's obviously the title of this, the comeback of Ana Carrasco. 10 months after breaking her spine, or fracturing two vertebrae in her spine. That's breaking your spine. That's big. She won another race. I mean, so she broke her back in September. So 5 months of nothing. Obviously, you have to recoup time. You can't sit there and just jump back on the bike and, whatever. There has to be time to heal, recoup. So 5 months of that gone. So she only had, from the time she could get on a bike, which, that was February 2021 of this year, the doctor said she could ride. 5 months later, she's winning again against the top people in World SSP. Like, these are good riders. These are factory teams. These are the best bikes you can ride. And she's winning. It's incredible. I mean, just not even the fact that she's winning. The fact that she came back from what she did. A broken vertebrae is nothing to joke about. That's some serious stuff. 2 of them especially. And to come back after only 5 months 10 months after the crash, but 5 months after just being able to ride. That's, getting the muscle memory back, that's getting the strength back, that's getting your, just everything, your cardiovascular back, which, that's a lot to do in 5 months. That's a lot of training, that's a lot of recouping, that's a lot of just everything. Getting comfortable again on the bike, going fast. Because it's not just get on a bike and riding a bike, this is easy. No, this is getting on a bike and, pushing it to the absolute limit of the tires and what you can handle. It's impressive. I am, wow. I am just super impressed by this. I mean, obviously, it's a long road, like even she said herself, quote, I have to think race to race, added Carrasco. For sure, I'm getting better, but I'm not in the best shape, so we have to keep working, keep improving every race. So even her saying, you know, this isn't the best I can be, this is just, you know, I don't know, I'm impressed. If you don't know who she is, I will try and link some of her, or whatever, I'll link the article I'm reading right now and some of her social medias down below. Obviously, I'm going to include some pictures in here because you have to see, like, the 30 staples in the back is, whoa. But if you don't know who she is, this is impressive. I mean, just for the fact, for how many firsts she has, and she's winning championships, like, I'm super impressed. Again, don't know who she is, go check out her social medias, follow whatever she does, support her, because this is awesome. I mean, for one to have the determination to do this, you know, in a male-dominated sport, to come in and win and be fast and be good, but also to have the determination to come back from an injury and not say, okay, I've already won my championship, whatever, you know, I'm the first woman to do it, I'm moving on to something else, and, you know, just going to become a personality. No, she decided to do the work, come back, and win again. Wow. I mean, that's class right there, so big ups to her. Again, follow her social media, watch whatever she does, because this is impressive, and obviously you can only go, you know, bigger and better things from here, so that's it. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below if you've ever seen anything she's done, if you know who she is in general, whatever, or if you know any other cool, you know, girl riders that are doing big things, or just girl riders in general, comment down below, hit the like button, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.